What's up, everybody? It's Nick the Piker. I'm back for another episode. Today I'm fishing a catch and release bass pond. There should be spawning by now, so there should be bass on beds. That's the only time I really fish here, is when there's bass on beds. And surprisingly, there's some giants in here. So I've seen fish that look over 6 pounds in here. Never caught one that big, but I know they're in here, and I've seen them. So hopefully we get lucky today and I catch a slob for y'all. Stick with me, stay tuned, like and subscribe if you haven't already and you want to see more content, and let's get them. All right, here we go. It's the spawn bass lake. Should be spawning by now. I thought I saw a bed when I checked. I did a quick little walk around. Now it's just a matter of figuring out which lure will agitate the fish on the beds. I've been having luck the past couple years with, you know, my good old worm lure. Or, the thing is finding the color, the right color that's going to get them going. Besides that, a bandito bug has also been agitating these fish. You just got to find the right color bandito bug. Oh, there's a bass right there, man. There's a nice bass right in front of me. As I started walking, I saw him. He probably saw me too, but I'm gonna throw at him just cause he's there. I've been having success with this worm lure I have on right now with smallies. I don't know if these fish are real touchy because it's a catch and release pond. I don't know if they're going to be all game for this color, but I'm going to give it a try. Oh, look. They definitely are spawning because there's like a little male over here. I just saw a female. She was like twice the size of this fish. Let's see if the angry little male eats this worm lure. Nope. This color ain't it. I don't think this color is going to work. These fish are real touchy too, though. He might have saw me. Is the problem. Is that a bass? Yeah, that's a bass right there. Let's see if he goes for this. I think this color is just too bright. Oh, he's looking at it. He looked at it. No. This is too bright and flashy. I'm going to have to switch up to something that is a little darker. Maybe just a black one. I think I have one already. Yeah, I think black is gonna be the one. It's kind of overcast today. Oh, this one has a pink tip. Let's give it a try. Maybe it'll work. Black with a pink tip sounds like that might do the trick, because it's just a little color. I don't see anything here, but there's a deep spot here. I wonder if there's something down there and I just can't see him. Give it a try. I don't see anything. Oh, there we go. See, I didn't see that one, but he bit it and I felt it and didn't see it. There we go. It's a way to start it off with an angry spawning bass. There we go. Hey. Bass number 1. I don't know if that's a female. It's got scrapes on the tail. It might be a male. Might be a female. I'm not sure. But hey, let's get him. First fish of the day. That didn't take long at all. I've only been fishing maybe 5 minutes. 10 minutes maybe, but hey, we'll take it. Fish number 1 at the spawning bass lake. Hee. Hopefully, well, that means they're biting for sure, because and now I know this color will get the job done. So hey, happy all the way around. Go back to your spot, protect your babies. Off you go. Nice. Now that spot, I just casted it blind. I saw that it dropped off and it was deeper. I'm wondering if I should give it one more cast, if that was the male, or if that was the small male and there's like a 7-pounder down there that I can't see. It's worth one more cast. So I'm going to give it one more quick cast. If we had partially cloudy with sun coming in and out, it'd be ideal for fishing this spot because I could see what's down there. But we're still able to have success with the conditions we have, so just keep fishing. Just have to fish blind. Oh, I got another one. That was awesome. That's a nicer one than the first one. Angry fish. Look at him. Oh, that was a nicer one too. It should have grabbed him right at the water. Boo. That was my fault. That happens to me a lot at this lake, but I think you guys saw that it was on land. I didn't touch him, but he was on land, so does that count? I think it does. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back to that spot. Did he just catch one? No. To be honest, I've never seen anybody catch fish on lures here. And the only time I've ever caught fish on lures is when they're spawning. So, what lures you use probably makes a huge difference. But, you know, for me, pre-rigged worm lure always works. Although here it doesn't work unless they're spawning. Nothing works here unless they're spawning. Oh, I got one. That's a decent one too. All right. Oh, and he got off. These fish know how to unhook themselves, man. Unreal. These fish know how to unhook themselves. That has happened to me so many times at this lake, where I hook a fish and then lose them when they jump. So usually you keep tension on them and they don't get away. Not here, man. You put tension on it when they jump and they get away. So it's like when they jump, you got to remember to give them slack so that when they shake it, the hook doesn't come out. I don't see anything, but it looks juicy over here. I think it flattens out and it's shallower, so they might be just hanging out all over here. I just saw a swirl in the water. What was that? What's going on there? Is it a giant? Might be a giant right there. Oh, I think it is a giant. What? That fish just hit like a ton of bricks. That's got to be a huge fish. It is a huge fish. What is it though? It's a catfish. What? It's a walleye. No way. No way did I just catch a nice walleye in this lake. I didn't even know walleye were in here. This thing's huge, dude. Look at the size of this walleye. You gotta be kidding me. I didn't know there was walleye in this lake. What? Look at that walleye. You gotta be kidding. Unreal. That's at least 22 inches. I had no idea there was walleye in this lake either. It's just a catch and release lake. Why is there a big walleye in here? I mean, this is food to me. I see this as a let's eat. I mean, damn. Unreal, man. on my bass lure too. That was crazy. Man, I stuck him. He was never getting off of there. He was never getting away. He was never getting away. Unbelievable, dude. That's a beast. That's like a 22-inch walleye. I mean, I'm not going to go and measure them and everything, but just from being in Canada not too long ago, that's a 22-inch walleye for sure. I'm going to get a selfie of this thing. What a beast, dude. That is unreal. Can't even believe it. That's crazy. Alright, well, let's get the release on it. I can't even believe it. There's walleye in this lake. Can't even believe it. That's crazy. Well, if I catch another walleye, I'm down with that. Let's get back to it. Alright. Oh, that guy caught a little bass over there. That's awesome. So his methods work. Some weeds over here. Oh, it looks like there's a bed right there. That's definitely a bed. I don't think there's fish on it though. It's a dead bed. But that was a bed. For sure that was a bed. I see it all cleaned off. Nice. But, I mean, it already happened. They're already gone. It's crazy. Oh, I got one. What is it though? It's a bass. Yep, I let off when he jumped, so this time he shouldn't come off. He's a decent, decent size. Couple pounds. Oh yeah, that's a couple. It's like a 2-pounder. There we go. Looks like a spotted bass, dude. Is that a spotted bass? Someone tell me. It kind of looks like a spotted bass to me with the pattern he's got going on there. That's another decent bass. Can't complain about that. Probably a 2-pounder. I'll take it. You didn't throw the hooks this time, buddy. Oh, he would have though. It's a nice bass. Man, he's healthy. It's a healthy chunk. I'll take it. Off he goes. This lake is fun, man. I haven't even been here, what? Let's see what time it is. I've been here an hour. I've been here about an hour and I caught 4 bass and a walleye. I'll take it. For Illinois, where the fishing is next to impossible in most bodies of water. This one, it's like once you figure out certain spots at certain times of the year, you can get lucky. And this is that spot for me. In the spring, you come here at the certain time of year and you can catch fish. So hey, good stuff. I'm glad there's a tree right here because it's raining, but I'm still all good. So we're gonna keep fishing. See what else this pond has in store for us. I see a couple bass sitting over here. They look small, but there might be a big one. Might be a big one down there that I can't see. So I'm gonna give this a quick cast and see if there's a big mama that I can't see. Oh! Oh, he threw it at me. That was another like 2-poundish fish. Oh, there's definitely something under these weeds that just churned it up. Man, they know the hook release jump, man. That's another fish. I mean, that would have been That's happened to me, what, twice now? Alright, well then. I don't think those other fish are gonna bite now. That was the one I couldn't see too. There was a couple little ones there. Oh, maybe not. It would have been nice if I could have landed that one. It was a decent fish. We'll try a deeper cast off the shore a little bit. A dink. The dink bites, of course. Hey, little dink. He's a fat dink, though. You're a fat dink. Oh, it looks like somebody caught you already, too. I hope you survive, little man. I got you in your lip. Hey, little baby. Off you go. Let's try this little corner. Got to be bass here. It's like every little section of shoreline I hit has fish in it, so that are biting. So it's worth it to give this a cast, even though this spot is fished pretty hard most of the year. On the edge of these, oh, see, that's why I cast it here. He's battling. Here he comes. It's a decent bass. He's trying to release the hooks on me, huh? No, sir. You ain't releasing no hooks, little man. He just clobbered it. Just clobbered it, dude. How you doing, man? He clobbered it. Yeah, he wasn't getting away. But that's why I love these lures too, is because little hooks don't hurt fish. So it's a nice healthy bass. Chunker. Take it. Take it, baby. Off you go. And that's another fish. I'm starting to lose count. It's gonna keep plugging away though. See if there's more. Let's get him. The rain let up. That's nice. Glad that happened. Maybe if I cast at those weeds and come back this way, something else will bite. It's worth a cast. It's definitely worth a cast. It's kind of shallow. The shoreline is shallow right here, so if there's fish, they'll be out a little more. He took the one of them took a swipe at it. The other one watched. Nothing happened to him, so maybe he's like, hey, I'll take a swipe at it too. Let's see. Oh, he's looking at it. It's right in front of you. Nope. Oh, little one took it. The dink took it. The one that was bigger watched him eat it and then followed him like, hey, that's my boyfriend. All right, there you go. Another one bites the dust. Take it. Side of the lake I can see much better, which is good. But so far the biggest bass I see on that bed ain't going for it, so maybe there's some other bass down this way. Oh, there's a nice bass. He's looking right at me though. And the water's real clear over here. Maybe he'll eat it though, we'll never know. He's looking at it. Oh, he's going right to it. Oh. He went right to it and then said no. It's another bed fish. He's not big. Oh, there's a little guy. Swiped at it. Well, they're not having it. Alrighty then. Thanks, little family of bass. There's several little dinks swimming by here. Maybe they'll go for it. I'll catch a dink just to see what it feels like. Why not? Oh, they're not having it though. These fish have been fished. Look, that's a female right in front of me here, but oh, she ate it right in front of me. That was fun. She's not big, but hey. All right. Chill. She gulped it. She gobbled it. Ow. Man, these hooks just really do the trick. That fish was not getting loose. And there you go. There's a little female bass on the bed that has been caught already. There's hook marks in her lip. So go back to your bed. Right back to her bed she goes. She went right back. She's sitting on it again. Sweet. All right. There's some small ones. I don't want the small ones though. Where's the big ones? I mean, there's several little fish over here. Oh, he's going for it. They're looking at it. But no. Nothing. See if we can find a big fish. These are all babies. This is the small bass nursery over here. Ooh. Water just moved right there. Oh, that's a carp. No, we don't want you either, bud. We're just gonna keep walking our way along this thing. See if there's any bigger fish in the area. Oh my God. That was a 25, 30 pound carp right there. I've tried to catch those carp in here too, and I've not been successful yet. That fish was massive. Well, this will be my last cast. Let's make it count. Last cast, here we are. There's bluegills over here. Alright. Well, that does it for me. I'll see you guys back at my van. Well, that's it for my video today. I hope you all enjoyed. It was fun for such a short amount of time to have so much action in Illinois. You can't beat that. So, hey, hope you all enjoyed. Still can't believe I caught a walleye. That was insane. It's my first walleye in Illinois ever. I mean, I know they're in Fox Lakes, Channel Lakes and stuff. Tried to fish from there a couple times, never caught one. That was random, but that was cool. Hey, I hope you enjoyed my video.